Welcome, my crypto friends. Welcome, my crypto beginner. So this is gonna be how to buy a Catgirl NFT. Okay. Now, what you need to have is that either you have a token, Catgirl token, or you could get a BNB. Okay, that's your money in your BNB. Okay. Now let's go over there to the website. Okay, you're gonna have to go to a Catgirl website. Okay. Now let's go over here to catgirl.io right here. And then as you can see, we have the mystery box, airdrop, the token, right? And then we have marketplace and farming. That will be coming soon, okay? But for right now, we're gonna go ahead, try to connect the wallet so we can buy the cat girl token. And we can buy a cat girl NFT, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys how to buy a catgirl NFT, okay? So let's go over here. Go over here, try to get your Trust wallet. If you don't have a Trust wallet, you can get a MetaMask, okay? And then you can connect right here, okay? Now let's go to connected, okay? Let's open the setting. Okay, you gotta open the setting, okay? Just like that. Then let's go to Wallet Connect. We're gonna click on here, and then we're gonna have to connect with Wallet Connect. Or if you have MetaMask, go ahead and click on that. So I have Wallet Connect right here. I'm gonna scan that code, and then we're gonna see connected. Okay, just go ahead and click connect that. As you can see, you have your profile right here when you connect it. Okay, that's my profile. Now let's go over here to buy the NFT. Okay, so if you click on this mystery box, and you come down, they have right here. So this is a mystery box, and they have these many tokens right here, like a million, a billion, 1 billion tokens right here. So that's representative of the cat girl, okay? Cat girl token, that's how much it costs to buy a NFT, one of the NFT, okay? Now, if you go right here, the BNB, they're gonna cost you $10 right here, okay? And this right here in the corner, you know, how many you wanna buy, you know, how many you wanna buy or not. So I have purchased 5 already, and I still got the same category, which is the lowest one, right? So I keep buying it. So I buy 5 already. So I'm gonna buy one more to show you guys how you can purchase this. Okay. So I'm gonna use my BNB, which cost me $10. Okay. Now let's go ahead and buy together. Okay. I've got one right here, so I don't know how many you guys gonna buy, but I'm gonna show you guys how to buy it right here. You gotta click on this right here, and you're gonna purchase one. Okay, go ahead and click buy. Okay, so and then they're gonna ask you right here, okay, and to approve that the purchase. Okay, so I'm gonna approve that purchase, which is cost me $10. Okay, so I'm still waiting. So it says please confirm transaction. I already confirmed that, so it's gonna take a little bit longer. Okay, so I got one. What I got? See, I got the same one again. So I purchased. This is the sixth time that I got this mace cat girl. Okay, so this is the lowest one that you can get. Okay, guys. But I mean, it's not that bad. You can, put it to work when the marketplace coming or farming coming. Okay, we can use that. So on bottom here, it says right here. See, all this category right here is representing this star. So may only have one star, and so on. Okay, so I have the lowest one. I hope you guys can get the highest one. But for right now, that's how you can get the NFT. Okay, that's how you purchase. You just go over here to catgirl.io, And then you come down here to mystery box and check on that. And then make sure you connect your wallet here, e-wallet. Your wallet connect right here. Or you can have your MetaMask connect and then purchase this mystery box, okay? So that's all I have, guys, and I hope you like this video, and you have anything to say, please leave in the comment below, and I really appreciate that. Thank you, and you have a wonderful day. Bye.